Hello and welcome back to my channel for part 2. This is the DIY wooden box. As you see, I'm putting the staples in the box right now, and I'm also putting the nails. I put the staples in just to hold the box together while I nailed it together. And then also in this part 2, you're going to see a lot of different things. You're going to see me paint the box. You're going to see me take the box outside and do a splatter paint on the box. I'm going to actually put a bottom in the box, and I'm just going to use a piece of cardboard. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let y'all go ahead and watch the video. I'll come back at the end of the video and do more commentary. If you just clicked on this video and you haven't seen part 1, go click back on part 1. It shows me actually cutting the wood. This is just one piece of pallet wood, or 2 pieces of pallet wood that I found, that I made this little art box out of. Okay, if you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like, make a comment, and I thank you very much. And here we go. thank you for watching the video all the way up until this point. Right now you see me splatter painting. It's just 2 water bottles and an actual glass jar. And the reason that I did the splatter paint is because I actually made the desktop that you see the black with the splatter paint on it. So what I did was I did it the box black with the white splatter paint, and then I did the holders white with the black splatter paint just to match my desktop. And I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.